Pre-market summary for Indian stock market. NIFTY 50 Index futures trading on the Singapore Stock Exchange suggest that the Nifty could fall 83 points at the opening bell. Overseas, Asian stocks are down on Monday, owing to unrest in China over the country's continued zero-COVID policy. After demonstrators and police clashed in Shanghai on Sunday, fears of a COVID-led dent in China's economic growth weighed on sentiment in the world's second-largest economy. Thousands of protesters in major Chinese cities, including Shanghai, demanded the resignation of President Xi Jinping. Frustration with China's strict lockdowns as part of its zero-COVID policy fueled the unprecedented protests. The People's Bank of China announced over the weekend that it would reduce the reserve requirement ratio for banks by 25 basis points to 7.8% and inject around 500 billion yuan in long-term liquidity. According to the National Bureau of Statistics, industrial profits fell 3% in the first 10 months of the year compared to the same period in 2021. Stocks in the United States finished mixed in a shortened trading session Friday, with markets depressed following Thursday's Thanksgiving holiday. Black Friday sales began against a backdrop of rising inflation and slowing economic growth. This Black Friday, U.S. shoppers reportedly spent a record $9.12 billion online, as they avoided the effects of high inflation by taking advantage of steep discounts on everything from smartphones to toys. Back home, the major equity indices finished the day with minor gains, rising for the fourth trading session. Gains were limited by negative Asian cues. The S&P BSE Sensex increased 20.96 points, or 0.03%, to 62,293.64, while the NIFTY 50 Index increased 28.65 points, or 0.16%, to 18,512.75. Foreign portfolio investors, FPIs, purchased shares worth 369.08 crore on November 25, while domestic institutional investors were net sellers worth 295.92 crore, according to preliminary data. Follow us, information is wealth.